Hi, my name is MD Rafin Shikdar. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University with a CGPA of 3.62 out of 4. I am passionate about software engineering, artificial intelligence, and research, and enjoy applying technologies to real world problem solving. During my academic journey, I have built a strong foundation in programming, object-oriented design, database, data structure and algorithms, and software engineering principle. I have also completed professional course on Java design pattern and unified model language, which strengthened my software design and development skill. I believe in learning through practical experiences. One of my major projects is a hospital management system, which helped me design to digital patient record and appointment scheduling. I also worked on a smart donation system developed to make the donation process more efficient and secure transparent. Alongside software development, I deeply interested in research. Currently, I have submitted two research papers to the 6th International Conference on English Trend and Technology to Intelligent System, which is expected to be published by Springer and InsideX Scope. The first paper title is Light BloodNet, which focus on explainable to deep learning for blood cell and classification. My second work is on expandable and explainable lung and colon cancer histopathological classification using morphology aware multitask deep learning. In addition, I actively passionate is in curriculum activities, extracurricular activities, and I am associate member of the Daffodil International University Research Society and Data Science Club, and I have also associate member in Daffodil International University Software Engineering Club. I have also participated in hackathon and debate competition, which helped me improve to my teamwork, communication skill, and problem solving abilities. Looking ahead, my goal is to build a career as an AI engineer and researcher, contributing to impactful innovation in hackathon and healthcare, and I am pursue higher studies while continuing to publish quality research. Thank you for your watching my video resume. I look forward to learning, contributing, and making a meaningful impact through my technology and research. Thank you.